Hello, my dear learning friends. My name is Mercy Ashaba, Justice of the Supreme Court. I'm a law student at Nkumba University, and I'm in my 4th year. Basically, I'm going to talk about mooting, moot court, what it all entails. So when you talk about mooting, this is more of a court proceeding where student team is given a legal problem and they are required to argue it before the judge or before the panel of judges. We gain the aspect of fluency, the aspect of audibility, the aspect of all that. So in mooting is very essential as a law student. Why? Because you're always required, because a tool of a lawyer is all about speaking. So you can never be a good advocate when you cannot speak or you cannot argue before your client. So basically mooting motivates you or stimulates you as a law student to be able to stand and defend your client in the future. So basically when we talk about mooting at university level, we basically develop our skills, and one of the skills is the legal research skill. You can never be a good mooter when you're not good at research. Why? Because in research, in law school, we have a lot of course units, and these course units, each and every course unit has got its legal argument or aspect. It can be criminal law, it can be constitutional law, international human rights law. Each and every moot helps you as a law student to be able to articulate very well, to analyze it. So you can only be good in persuading the judge or convincing someone to listen onto you very well, and someone accepts your position, your particular point of position or your point of view when you're good at research. So one of the importance of mooting is that it helps on your legal research. The other thing of mooting, it helps on your confidence. You can really never know how good you are when you cannot speak, when you cannot present yourself. So it helps you to be confident, and in being confident, you're going to be a lawyer. Because one of the roles of a lawyer we saw in year 1 is that a lawyer is meant to be a problem solver. You can never be a problem solver when you cannot stand on your 2 legs, advise or advocate for your right. So in many ways, mooting helps us to pick that confidence, rise up and be the person that you really want to be. So the other thing of mooting is very crucial in your esteem. It develops on your self-esteem. Really, if you're a lawyer, very many cases we are going to get out and be practicing lawyers. So you have to develop that self-esteem within you and be able to argue the law. Be able to argue the law, and if you argue the law, then you're going to be a good lawyer. You'll be on market. So mooting is very essential, and I advise all of our students, participate yourself in mooting, because it is one of a tool that is going to help you to be a best lawyer that Uganda could ever love to deal with. So the other aspect of mooting is that mooting develops the art of advocacy when we are out of university, because we realize that after gaining the confidence, after developing the research skills that we all talked about, you're going to go out into a real court. And how can you develop the art of advocacy? How will you be able to compose yourself in court? It all starts with mooting. So mooting is very essential, in that mooting helps you to know how to address a judge, because there are very many mistakes we do in mooting, and then in the long run affect us even when we are in court. So for example, you are in a high court and you address the judge as his lordship. So when the judge maybe asks you something that, counsel, what are you trying to mean here? And you start saying, no, my lord. It helps you to compose yourself, the art of advocacy. You can either say, yes, my lord, yes, your honor, or no, your honor. So all those skills are really got from mooting. So I'd advise each and everyone to participate yourself in mooting if you really want to be a good lawyer in Uganda. So, and mooting is very essential. The other aspect is that we really want to appreciate the Moot Court Society. It has really done us well. We couldn't have been able to stand and speak if at all it had not groomed us. So we appreciate the Moot Court Society for the love, for the nature that it has really impacted in us to be good speakers, because you can never be a good speaker when you don't know how to moot. So we really appreciate the Moot Court Society for the great work done. His Excellency Batapa, we appreciate you more. Yeah, we thank Nkumba University Law Society for the spirit of Moot Court in saying that we become good lawyers. Thank you so much. I owe you, for God and my country. Shalom.